How to get Spotify Premium. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can get Spotify Premium, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now getting Spotify Premium is very simple, but I want you to remember to not do this process from the application, but open up your browser and go to spotify.com instead and log into your account. Now on the account that we want to get premium, we have to just tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side. Then over there you'll find the button called premium. Tap on the premium option there, and once you do that you will see a list of plans available, so select a certain plan that you like here. Once you tap on get individual or premium option here, you'll be taken to the payment page where you can simply choose PayPal or credit or debit card. So select any of the payment option, enter your card details, expiration date and year with the security code, tap the buy now option, and you have successfully bought your Spotify Premium. That's all it takes to get Spotify Premium. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.